Hi, Sharda Sampath Kumar here, a storyteller. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer in his farm. One day, one horse from his farm ran away, and immediately his neighbors and family and friends came running to his farm and conveyed their sympathies, for which, the farmer answered, maybe. They started sharing their sympathies, saying, oh God, it should not have happened. You just had one horse. It was a beautiful horse and all that. So they expressed their sadness, for which the farmer just said, maybe. The next day, this horse returned back to the farm, bringing back 3 wild horses with him. And immediately again his family and friends and neighbors came running to him and said, congratulations, it's such good news that now you have 3 other horses. And for which the farmer again answered, maybe. The next event was that one day when his son, the farmer's son, was trying to tame one of the wild horses, he fell down and broke his leg. And immediately the family, friends and the neighbors of this farmer came running to his farm, and they again conveyed their sympathies and said, oh, this should not have happened. This is a really sad thing that happened to your son and all that. For which the farmer again replied, maybe. The next event that happened was the military visited this village, and they visited every house in the village to check if there were young men who could be inducted into the army. And they saw the young man, the son of the farmer, but they let him go because he had a broken leg. And they went away. Again, now the neighbors, family and friends came running to him and said that it was a good thing that happened. He broke his leg, and therefore the army did not take him into their forces. And that is the end of this story. Again for that the farmer said, maybe. So that is the end of the story. So what is the message you get or you understand from the story? The farmer was being non-judgmental. He did not judge the events that happened in his life. So we need not label our life events or people who come into our lives or the events that happen in our lives as good or bad. Whether good or bad, maybe a million effects could arise out of this situation which we all are undergoing. So never label incidents or events or people as good or bad. Good or bad are always interconnected, like the 2 sides of the same coin. So this doesn't mean, you can ask me, this doesn't mean that we should never be happy. It's just that, just don't allow it to change the way you live your life too much. Okay? And doing this, believe me, will give you a great sense of peace in your life. Thank you so much.